again because Apple keeps messing up with me every year. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am really pissed. I tried to pre-order the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max 256 gigabytes, but Apple called me broke literally. Okay, so I have footages, which let me move to this side so I can include them on this side of the screen so you guys can see. So I first of all, I tried to order an Apple credit card and they gave me only 1k on it. They gave me just 1k. All my other credit cards start me off with 2k. Apple was like, no, we don't trust you with money, so we're going to give you 1k. I'm like, okay, that's fine. I'm just going to find my way around and maybe make a down payment for it. So, yesterday I was trying to like get ready and everything. Yesterday was Thursday and the pre-launch was on Friday morning, right? So I made the calls and everything. I called their bank and everything. I'm like, okay, I want to pre-order this phone. How do I do? They're like, okay, since you have just 1k credit, you can make a down payment, which I was totally cool with. Totally cool making down payment. I was like, okay, I'll make the down payment for this and everything. And so I woke up early this morning around like 7, and then I opened the app and then they were like, go back to sleep. They were being caring. They were like, go back to sleep and whatever they said there, I don't remember. Oh, actually I have it on my phone. And they were like, go back to sleep. Oh, and they were like, you're early. Pre-order begins at 5 a.m. PST, which is 7 a.m. CST, because I live in CST. So I was like, okay. I didn't go back to sleep though. I stayed watching TikToks and stayed up to like 7 because for some reason my body clock wakes up at 4 a.m. and decides to not sleep again till the next day. But so I stayed, and then when it got 7 a.m. I literally opened the Apple Store app and they were like, they're getting things ready. I'm like, you guys had like a whole year to get things ready. Why is he getting things ready? I'm like, okay, still, I'm not gonna fight, I'm not gonna do anything. So 7:05, I refreshed the app and they're still getting things ready. Okay, so 7:06, things were like finally ready. I'm like, okay, let me go order this phone. So I go into the app, like start the whole order process, pick the phone color, pick my capacity. I actually wanted gold, pick the capacity, picked this that I didn't want any network with it and everything. And then it was time to check out, and I was like, oh wait, they don't give me an option of paying with 2 cards, so let me text their customer service representative. So I went ahead to text their customer service representative, and this happened. They literally called me broke in like 50 languages. Remember I told you that I had called the bank and they said I can make a down payment. So I called the customer service representative and they were like, wait, where is it in? Oh, so I just said I'd like to make a down payment before pre-ordering the iPhone Pro Max on my Apple card, and then they contact the specialist and everything. And then he asks how I am. I'm not fine, obviously, but I said I'm fine, I'm doing great, thank you. So it's like just to ask, will you be getting the iPhone Pro Max in full or monthly payments? Monthly payments with my Apple card. That's why I'm texting you. It's like, okay, thanks for letting me know. And then I'm like, but my Apple card has only 1k on it, so I would like to like make a down payment, just like buying a car. You make a down payment and then pay the rest off later. Like, okay, I like to make a down payment. It's like, got it. Unfortunately, you would have to pay the entire amount on the Apple card if you're doing installments. That's not true. You guys told me yesterday that I can make a down payment and then pay the rest off on my Apple card. So I'm like, I called Goldman Sachs yesterday and they said I'll be able to do that. It's like, got it. Let me check. This person was super pleasy. I was like, okay, give me 2 minutes. Okay. And he checked and he's like, yeah, I can make a down payment at Apple Store. And then, dude, why is the light going? What's happening to the light? But I knew, I was like, I can make the down payment at an Apple Store and then pay with my Apple card monthly. But then remember, pre-order is only online. So I'm like, okay, that's cool, but stores aren't open right now. I can remember going to the Apple Store like 2 weeks ago and them telling me I cannot go in because I didn't order anything online. Basically, they're like security in front of the place. Security was fine, sure. But anyway, the security is there and there's a security guard there telling me I couldn't go in. So I'm like, yeah, but Apple stores aren't open right now. I even told him I tried going to an Apple store a few weeks ago and they wouldn't let me in, except I wanted to go pick it for. He's like, I understand, but that would be the only option as you do a down payment. I'm like, okay, so I have to wait till the phones are available in store, or how does this whole pre-order thing work? Because this is the first time pre-ordering anything. I actually don't know how it works. So he's like, yeah, you have to wait for it since the pre-order is done online. And then he now sent me this thing to click and see the stores, and basically all the stores don't have like any available bookings. They're like, you literally can't go into an Apple store right now if you're not going to pick up anything. And then he goes ahead to say that I should request for an increase in credit line. I did that, and they actually sent me this email saying my card is too new. First of all, this is the first bank that's giving me like 1K credit. Who gives 1K credit? I mean, my own bank gave me like 2K credit. Later increased it like oh lord. Later increased it to like 2.5. Then Best Buy gave me a 2.5 credit card. I don't even know why I'm going through all this stress. And I could literally have pre-ordered through Best Buy, but I guess I'll just wait till the phones are in store right now. Okay, so he asks me for my zip code to help me check, and then he's like, they can't. You guys just read it. I'm frustrated reading it right now, so just read it. I'll give you a minute. Read. And so he's like, anything else you can help me take care of? I'm like, well, I'm not satisfied, but I remember that I bought a song on iTunes. I just really like the song. I'll take for my ringtone, and I bought it on iTunes, and it has been showing pending for like forever, right? For like forever. And then he totally ignored that, cut off the thing, and transformed to another person without even saying goodbye. Bro, I chatted with this guy for like 45 minutes, and he couldn't even have. I actually thought I was loved, because I don't get to text anybody for this long anymore. And he literally had the audacity to not even say goodbye. Have a nice day. Or did he? He said, he didn't even say goodbye. No, he did not. But anywho, I'm just making this video to vent, because for some reason that really annoyed me this morning, even though I foresaw it coming. So I guess what I'm going to do now is probably just wait till it's in stores. Then I'll use my Best Buy credit card, because I have like 2.5 on it. So not like 2.5 of my money, 2.5 credits on it. So I'm going to like use my Best Buy credit card to like buy it and then pay like 45 bucks every month. Because to be honest, for the longest I thought that it's only better if you buy like stuff and pay for it upfront. But then since I got this phone, remember when I got this phone, I'm going to link the video here, so watch it after I finish watching this video. But when I bought this phone, I bought it on credit, and I've been paying just 28 bucks every month. And to be honest, I didn't even feel like I'm paying anything, because it comes out of my bank account. Like I said, the auto payment. So like I didn't even feel it. So I wanted the next thing for the iPhone 12. Why do I want the iPhone 12? You know, I want it, I got it. I don't know, I just, better camera, I don't know, I just want it. I've been using that phone for like 5 years, to be honest. And I want to get a Pro Max, because when I got this one, I later thought about it and I was like, should I have gotten the Pro Max? So now I want to do things right and get the iPhone 12 Pro Max. That's why I'm getting the iPhone 12. Answer your question? Yes. Moving on. So I'm going to go to Best Buy like next week, Friday, which is when the phone should be available in store, and see if I can use my best. Actually, I can, because Best Buy is not Apple. But anyhow, I'm going to buy my phone from Best Buy again, because Apple keeps messing up with me every year. They keep calling me broke in different languages. Last year they didn't give me credit because I didn't have enough credit history. Now I have enough credit history. I've been paying my stuff off, and you guys just give me 1K, and without 1K I can't even buy anything. Like, I agree, the card is cute, little. I don't know where the card is at this point, because I threw it somewhere in my room when I got pissed. But calm down. But anyway, the card is cute, but forget the cute part. I really can't use it, because what exactly am I buying with 1K? Maybe like MagSafe stuff. I'll probably buy a phone case with the 1K and whatever, I'll pay it off. Oh, I know what I'm going to get. I'll get the insurance. Can I get a phone from Best Buy and then buy the insurance from Apple? I have to do my search on that. But I'll probably buy the phone from Best Buy, so I don't have to pay that much to Best Buy. Then buy the insurance from Apple, so I just pay like 8 bucks every month to Apple. Anywho, you guys should stay tuned to my channel. If you are not subscribed to me, subscribe, so that you see if I do buy the phone. And if I do buy it, I'm definitely going to shoot an unboxing video. So while you're waiting for me to shoot an unboxing video, do engage yourself in watching other of my videos. You can watch a video where I made this shirt on the box here, and you can watch me unboxing my iPhone 11 last year in this box here. So I'll see you guys on my next video, but bye for now, and thanks for listening to me vent. Mwah.